Hi guys, happy week 3. I hope it's going well. I want to talk to you about week 4 and a little bit of preview. When you look at the units under weekly work, you can kind of know that you should probably be working ahead with the readings. So we're going to go from Alice to Tom Sawyer to Little Women, and the last one will be Bud Not Buddy. So I know with all that spare time that you have, if you get a leg up, it might be helpful to you. This week, week 4, it's Alice in Wonderland is starting next week. And we really just go through it pretty quickly. So within 1 week, we kind of go through Alice in Wonderland, the highlights, and then we sort of develop dealing with the text and an essay again. So just so you know, week 4, what's happening is that you have some wiki work. And you need to complete everything. So this is the novel, and then the final draft of your essay that you're working on now, the fairy tale essay, is due on Friday of next week, so week 4. And then everything that you see in the novel section needs to be completed. So I described the group work. It's wiki work this week, and it will be used to complete this. So it is sort of coming together, and I explain it in that video. Please check it out. Also a quiz, and then a general class discussion so we can work as a larger group. I like having you work with small groups, but also the class as a whole. So those things will be due next week. I hope you all have a wonderful week. If you have questions whatsoever, let me know. Also, my name has changed. I got married over the summer, and with COVID, it took a while to change it. So it's finally changed. So Heidi Tassa, if you get things from Heidi Tassa, that's me. I'll go by Heidi Wagner Tassa for a bit. So regardless, you still have the same teacher. It's me. It's just a different name. So I hope you have a great week, and I will talk to you soon.